Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming what you have: shell fragments, an old button or inlay. Once confirmed, set a bright, diffuse lamp and a white card as backdrop so subtle iridescence reads clearly. Use a 10x magnifier and a small flashlight at grazing angle. This reveals thin layer interference that defines mother of pearl. Gently wipe with a soft cloth. If stuck debris remains, dampen cloth with 0.5% saline and recheck. Start inspecting edges and cavity surfaces, first for layered shimmer. Now you dive deeper to separate natural nacre from imitations. Examine at different angles. Mother of pearl shows changing rainbow bands and repeating layered striations. This is interference from microscopic aragonite platelets. Once done, tap the piece lightly. Real nacre gives a crisp, slightly glassy tone versus dull thud of plastics. Make sure to inspect the reverse. Natural shells have porous, irregular backing, whereas synthetics show uniform backing or adhesive residue. Finish by confirming via a cross-section inspection. Look at a thin edge under 10x and identify many thin layers. This proves layered nacre. You can also use polarized light or a simple mirror to accentuate birefringence. If you remain uncertain, consult a jeweler who can run non-destructive tests. Make sure to clean gently first. Haze often hides the effect. If layers delaminate, stop and seek repair rather than forcing cleaning. If testing fails, document and get expert verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.